Hello. The presentation will be presented by mention their names.
Loh, kok kayak tahu logo senjatanya?
Alright, start the presentation. Start the presentation.
Okay, this country is our country. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 islands.
Hah? Oh iya.
Six. 7.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7 states. 6, 7. Right? It's capital city is me. And yeah. What's the flag? Can you explain? So we have the flag right here. So we know that our country is a maritime country. Mostly it's island. So we have this Poseidon. What is it called? I don't know. So I just make it up like this. So our country have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 states, and there's one capital city in the middle, which every state we allowing every state to develop their own states. We allowing them to developing their own resource. So there's no tax exactly.
No tax
in here. Especially for investors. So every investor can come to our country and build their own factory. So our human resource can work on their company.